Hi Knotties, this is Queen Knotti. I'm working on micro locks today. I'm working on my little caplet here, and I decided to fill in some more micro locks with different strands, different colors. So this is a demo. I'm just going to show you, if you ever decide to purchase these micro locks, you'll see how they come. They come with the loop that is made, and also they come with 4 different strands. Yeah, I believe these are 14 inches long. So basically what I'm going to do is just fill them in, and with some colors in the sparse area here with the crochet needle. I have it crocheted onto a net cap. So I'm just filling in colors, and I'm starting on the top with the green, hunter green color. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my finger on it, stick it through a hole, and pull through, and come on out the net, pull gently. And I don't pull too tight, because with this, as full as I make them, if I decide to take a color out, I could take it out. If you pull on them, tug on them too tight, it'll tear up the net. And also what I probably will do later on, once I'm finished, is sew a lining underneath the net, so it will give this hair net a little support, because it's ropey. But I'm adding little green. I'm just really just filling in some colors at the top. Alright, so and I have it facing the back so you can see the colors as they come in. So I'm going to try another green. I'll turn her around. I'm just basically filling it in, and I put the natural color stocking cap so that you can see the hole. I'm working on my mannequin here. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty tight. And so I'm going to just loop this. It's just like looping yarn around a knit needle, casting on. We're going to add some more colors, Knotties, make her nice and full. And so I think the next color I'm going to try is this beautiful purple strands. The purple is very vibrant. Take the loop and you thread the strands, and pull gently. And there you have it. And I may just put more strands in. You can have as many as you like, but they're very, very, very pretty. And that's it, Knotties, and that's for our demo of the micro locks. And I just wanted to show you the various colors that they have. And when you make a cap with the crochet method, that you can add colors to it. You may get the micro locks strands from Elevated Styles. I hope you like it. Have fun with it. See you later. Don't forget to press that button and subscribe. This is Queen Knotti signing off on another video. Stay inside and be safe. See you later.